Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Confidence. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Today, we have something really special for you.
That's right. We're going to teach you how to introduce yourself in English with confidence.
Whether you're at a job interview, meeting new friends, or starting a conversation with someone new, this lesson will help you.
And the best part? We'll show you real examples and tell you some funny stories from our own experiences.
Let's get started.
Mike, let me ask you something. Do you remember the first time you introduced yourself in a new situation?
Oh, yes, I was so nervous. I was at a business meeting and I said, "Hello, my name is Mike and I am working?"
Just working?
I was so nervous I forgot to say what my job was. Everyone looked at me and waited. It was so embarrassing.
That's okay, Mike. We all make mistakes when we're learning. That's why today we're going to teach you the simple formula for a great introduction.
Yes, let's start with the most basic introduction. Sarah, can you show us?
Of course, here's the simple version. Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm from Morocco. I'm an English teacher.
Perfect. Let's break this down. First, you say your name.
My name is Sarah, or you can simply say, I'm Sarah. Both are correct.
Then you tell people where you're from. I'm from Morocco or I come from Morocco.
And finally, you can say what you do. I'm an English teacher, or I work as an English teacher.
Easy, right? Now let's practice together. Repeat after us.
Everyone watching, repeat after me. Hello, my name is...
Say your own name here.
Good. Now say, I'm from...
Tell us your country or city.
Excellent. Now the last part, I'm a... or I work as a...
Perfect. You just introduced yourself in English.
Now, Mike, sometimes a basic introduction isn't enough. What if you want to say more?
Great question, Sarah. Let me tell you a story. Last year, I went to a language exchange event. I met a woman from Japan, and I only said, "Hi, I'm Mike. I'm from the UK."
And what happened?
Nothing. The conversation stopped immediately. It was so awkward. We just stood there in silence.
Oh no. So what should you do?
You need to add more information. For example, you can talk about your hobbies, your interests, or something interesting about yourself.
Exactly. Let me give you an example. Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm from Morocco, but I live in Spain now. I'm an English teacher, and I love helping people learn languages. In my free time, I enjoy reading books and hiking in the mountains.
Wow, Sarah, now I know so much more about you, and we can have a real conversation.
That's the key. Give people something to talk about with you.
Okay, everyone, now we want to share our secret confidence formula with you.
This formula has 5 parts. Let's go through each one.
Number 1, smile. When you smile, you feel more confident, and other people feel comfortable too.
Number 2, make eye contact. Don't look at the floor or at your phone. Look at the person you're talking to.
Number 3, speak clearly. Don't speak too fast. It's okay to speak slowly when you're learning.
Number 4, use body language. Stand up straight, shake hands if it's appropriate, and show you're happy to meet the person.
And number 5, be yourself. Don't try to be perfect. It's okay to make mistakes.
Mike, what are some common mistakes that beginners make?
Oh, I have a funny story about this. When I was learning Spanish, I tried to introduce myself at a party. I wanted to say, "I'm embarrassed" in Spanish, but I accidentally said, "I'm pregnant."
Oh no, Mike. That's a classic mistake.
Everyone at the party looked very surprised. I'm a man, so that was impossible.
Okay, so mistake number 1, be careful with similar words. Make sure you know the exact meaning.
Mistake number 2, don't give too much information. I once met someone who talked for 10 minutes about his entire life story. I couldn't say anything.
Yes, keep it short and interesting. 2 to 3 minutes is perfect.
Mistake number 3, Don't use very difficult vocabulary. Use simple, clear words that you're comfortable with.
And mistake number 4, don't apologize for your English. Many learners say, "Sorry, my English is bad." This makes you sound less confident.
Instead, be proud that you're learning. You're doing great.
Now, let's look at different situations. Mike, what if you're at a job interview?
Good question. At a job interview, you should be more professional. Here's an example. Good morning. My name is Mike Johnson. I'm from London, and I have 5 years of experience in marketing. I'm very excited about this opportunity because I'm passionate about digital advertising. In my previous job, I increased sales by 30%.
Excellent, Mike. Very professional. Now, what about a casual situation, like meeting someone at a coffee shop?
At a coffee shop, you can be more relaxed and friendly. Hey, I'm Mike. I come here every morning for coffee. I work nearby as a graphic designer. Do you come here often?
Perfect. Notice how Mike asked a question at the end. This helps continue the conversation.
Sarah, introducing yourself can be different in different cultures, right?
Absolutely. In some countries, people shake hands when they meet. In other countries, people bow or kiss on the cheek.
In the UK and the US, we usually shake hands in professional situations. With friends, we might just wave and say, "Hi."
In many European countries, people kiss on the cheek once, twice, or even 3 times.
I remember when I went to France for the first time, I didn't know about the cheek kissing custom. Someone leaned in to kiss my cheek, and I thought they were trying to whisper something to me.
What did you do?
I turned my head to listen, and we almost bumped heads. It was so awkward.
Oh, Mike. The important thing is to observe what other people do and follow their lead. Okay, everyone, now it's time to practice. Mike and I are going to show you a complete introduction, and then you can practice at home.
I'll go first. Imagine I'm at a networking event. Mike stands up, smiles, and extends his hand. Hello, my name is Mike. It's great to meet you. I'm originally from the UK, but I've been living in Spain for the past 3 years. I work as a content creator, and I make educational videos about language learning. I'm passionate about helping people communicate across cultures. What about you? What brings you here today?
Wonderful, Mike. Now my turn. Imagine I'm at a university orientation. Sarah stands up and smiles warmly. Hi, everyone. I'm Sarah. I'm from Morocco, and I'm really excited to be here. I'm studying international business, and I love languages. I speak Arabic, French, and English, and I'm now learning Spanish. In my free time, I enjoy photography and trying new foods. I'd love to make new friends here, so please come say hello.
Great job, Sarah. Now everyone at home, it's your turn to practice.
Before we finish, we have homework for you.
Don't worry, it's fun homework.
We want you to write your own introduction in the comments below. Use the formula we taught you today.
Include your name, where you're from, what you do, and something interesting about yourself.
We'll read all the comments and give you feedback.
And here's a challenge. Try to introduce yourself to one new person in English this week. It can be online or in person.
You'll be surprised how much your confidence grows.
So, let's review what we learned today.
Number 1, start with the basics. Your name, where you're from, and what you do.
Number 2, add interesting details about your hobbies or passions.
Number 3, use the confidence formula. Smile, make eye contact, speak clearly, use good body language, and be yourself.
Number 4, avoid common mistakes like using too difficult words or apologizing for your English.
And number 5, practice, practice, practice.
Remember, everyone feels nervous when introducing themselves, even native speakers.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson.
Next week, we're going to teach you how to keep a conversation going after you introduce yourself.
You won't want to miss it.
Thank you so much for watching.
We'll see you next time.
Bye. So, let's review what we learned today.
Number 1. Start with the basics. Your name, where you're from, and what you do.
Number 2, add interesting details about your hobbies or passions.
Number 3. Use the confidence formula. Smile, make eye contact, speak clearly, use good body language, and be yourself.
Number 4, avoid common mistakes like using too difficult words or apologizing for your English.
And number 5. Practice, practice, practice.
Remember, everyone feels nervous when introducing themselves, even native speakers.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson.
Next week, we're going to teach you how to keep a conversation going after you introduce yourself.
You won't want to miss it.
Thank you so much for watching.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.